Welcome in on this Thursday. You're watching First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Coming up, how most midsize vehicles rated in the IIHS's new side crash test. But first, your morning headlines. Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares says India may be a bigger growth opportunity for the automaker than previously expected, adding that revenues in the South Asia nation could more than double by 2030, and in the next couple of years, operating profit margins could hit double digits. Since 2015, Stellantis has invested over 1 billion euros in the country. It's in the line with the government of India's initiative for the auto industry, Make It in India, as well as the automaker's long-term plans outlined in its Dare Forward 2030 plan. Hyundai Motor and its Kia affiliate plan to invest $16.5 billion in South Korea. According to Hyundai, the two automakers plan to build a new factory for electric vehicles with a capacity to produce 150,000 cars a year. In a separate statement, Kia said it will be located within its existing Hwaseong manufacturing site. Construction is expected in the first half of 2023, with commercial production starting in the second half of 2025. Twitter's board will enforce Elon Musk's $44 billion takeover agreement. The board told Bloomberg News in a statement, quote, "We intend to close the transaction and enforce the merger agreement. The agreement includes a specific provision allowing Twitter to force Musk to consummate the deal, according to the filing." The statement comes after Musk's attempt to ditch the deal or renegotiate his offer. As we told you last week, Musk tweeted that the deal was, quote, "on hold." For this week's Driving Innovations Report, 10 out of 18 midsize light vehicles earned good ratings in the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's new side impact evaluation. IIHS updated the side test to, quote, "address higher speed crashes that continue to cause fatalities." The new test also uses a 4,200-pound barrier hitting the new vehicle at 37 miles per hour instead of the previous 3,300-pound barrier that struck the vehicle at 31 miles per hour. IIHS gave ratings of good, acceptable, marginal, and poor to vehicles it classified as midsize. All the midsize vehicles earned good scores for airbags and head injury measures, except for the Jeep Wrangler, which does not have airbags in the rear seat. IIHS President David Harkey told Automotive News that he was pleasantly surprised with the results of the test because when the Institute ran the new test on small crossovers in the fall, only 1 out of the 20 tested vehicles received a good rating. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you Friday morning.